First, you click on the bin, then you select File, and then select Import. Once the clip you have selected imports, you drag and drop it onto the timeline on the right hand screen to select it in your film. To mark in, first, you should select where you want the clip to start. You then press the Mark In button. You then drag the clip to where you want it to end and press the Mark Out button. After that, you need to click the white arrow on the bottom left, otherwise that will happen. You then have to click the Splice In button to add it to your film where the action bar is on the timeline. To do a basic cut, first you have to select the place you want to cut, and you have to get the pieces of media in sync so it flows correctly. You can see that here. To make this easier, you can use the trim tool by pressing this button here. It'll then let you select the clip you want to and move it frames so it flows correctly. To change the sound volume, first move a track into a timeline. You then use the volume mixer, which has just disappeared, to switch the amount of volume that each clip has. You can also choose when to fade and when to fade in and fade out a track. You do this by clicking the track at the point you want it to fade in, press the fade in button. You then move it to the end and use the tail fade button to make it fade out. First, you go to create a title. First, you go to Title tool and get up this screen. You then type in the title you want. You can then change the color of it by using the button here. You can also change different features of it, like the font. If you've already created text, you need to highlight the font first and then select the font you want. You can then also change the size by using the font size button. You can then move the text to where you want it by clicking on the arrow key and moving the text around.